Hi. We're going to continue on with our next two band tunes. They are Britches Full of Stitches and Maggie in the Woods. So before we start, we're going to recap on our notes again, okay? So D, all fingers down. E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, high D. Okay, we're going to continue on with the same format that we play in the band. The first part twice, second part twice, on to the next tune, first part twice, second part twice. And again, the notes will be up on the screen, so just follow the screen with your whistle and just keep practicing. And remember, you can stop the video anytime you want when you're at home. Okay, so we're going to go ahead with our tunes, and again, I'll count you in.